solve this problem if I can just if I can conduct the flushing of the external vials without this thing, just from isodat itself, it's going to solve all my problems. So I just need to know, how do you set up a method? How do you create a method? Because I was creating a method. Oh, you don't know?
No. Setting up that's what, to open the method, I'll not be able to interrupt anything right now.
Yeah. That's okay. But can you show it in the manual?
In the manual, I don't know where is it, because it should be in the isodat. Which book it's in? Because we have many manuals. So there are setup manuals, there are installation manuals. In which manual? Because these all the methods were set
Long time ago. So in the method itself, you can set like flush fill or something like that.
Yes.
Flush fill.
You have in the time events option in the isodat software itself. You can go to the new, set up a new method, and then you can put in all your, plug in all your time events, where your standard or the reference gas should be on, where it should be off, where the flush fill should be on, where it should be off. All that you can set and read the command, and if this is this is connected to all the other modules of the instrument, then it should take it. If this is not in connection with the other parts of the mass spec, then I don't know what will happen.
So in my case, the auto sampler is definitely connected to my PC for sure. For sure.
If this is not connected, then I don't think, maybe your method, it will show that there is an error or corrupted or something with this. See, I am not sure about that. What will happen if the module itself is not in connection with the other modules of the same instrument, even, and also it's not in connection with the...
No, but one lesson which I learned was that you can conduct flushing in isodat itself. You don't need Qtegra, or you don't need this particular display unit.
You don't have to do it manually to do the flush fill. You can do it that way, but just that you have to make sure that this is all the modules are interconnected.
This is just to
with the system, and they are compatible with your system. Just, and with that, I think you can solve the issue. Before that, before even starting that, you have to make sure your PAL loader or the display is connected to the system.
Yeah, my PAL loader and display is connected to the system, 100%. It's just that the home screen is not moving. Like, it just stays at that reason.
Okay, PAL load. What about the display unit or this connections with the other modules of the instrument?
That is connected as well. This is
like
this is connected to the computer.
You have seen our connections, right? So
correct.
Are you seeing the similar kind of connections in your system?
Yes. So this auto sampler beam, it has 3 cables. One is the power cable, one is connected to the CPU, just like in our case the RS-232 cable, and this LAN cable is connected here. So we have those things in place. I have the firmware that aligns the needles like accurately. I have that firmware. It's a 2013 firmware. I have that. But I'm not able to conduct flushing because this is not working. But you just told me that I don't need this to conduct flushing. I just need this to align the needles. So if I can create a method. So you create a method and then you go into gas bench here, and then
we don't change this side.
This thing. You don't change at all. Okay. Your system is much more simple than
I don't know what is simple. I have not seen your system, but
okay. When will this sequence get over, this particular one?
And also by seeing at the note, I also would like to tell you that if you are setting any flush parameters there, you'll have to also do something manually over there. Can you see this with this? So there is a method for the auto sampler. So in that method, you will also have to go and match with this. So you need that ideally.
I see. Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I think you would need that. You have to set some parameters there before you start with this. Then you will be able to set the method over here. But manually, you need to do things there. So you need the first. I think you have to make sure your display turns on. I mean to say, not stuck at GC pal.
Yeah, the
Who's
home
beyond
screen.
that,
Yeah.
I don't know how helpful this meeting was, but
No, it was quite helpful. I mean, I learned a few things. One, that you can connect it to a new PC, a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, and the connections are exactly the same. The setup is a little different, but I'm just thinking, like, if there is no change in the flushing time, if the flushing time remains the same, and the needles are aligned accordingly, then I was thinking that I could probably just conduct flushing from isodat itself. But how that I'll need to, I don't know.
thing is now all the methods are set, and maybe
Right.
I'm saying that they are all easy, or maybe it's because I am not the person who has developed these methods. So I can just say that now everything is set, so I don't have to break my head. So, but maybe while setting up, you needed to do something there to get it to here. So I'm not sure. If something goes wrong, yeah, we can. In this system, if something goes wrong, yeah, I'll be able to say, yeah, there is something wrong with the needle, or some because peaks are not coming, or column conditioning is required. Yes, but I am not sure how is the system in your devices. So I will not be able to say if you have this, and even if it is not moving, you'll be able to set a method or give the command from here and get your auto sampler running. I will not assure you that, because I am not sure about that.
I see. Okay. How much more time is this thing going to take? Analysis?
That will take till 3-4 o'clock or something, because each run, I guess it is 20 or so. So we have, and our timing is over. I mean to say,
Yeah.
for us it is 9 to 1.
Right.
It's already 1 o'clock.
Right.
And there is someone else waiting for me there.
Right. I know. I understand. I've taken